Sony FX3 Plus 24 to 70 GM2 bundle review. The cinema bundle that ended my back pain forever. Picture this. You're walking into a $60,000 wedding with 3 bodies, 5 lenses, 2 gimbals, and a backpack that needs its own seat on the plane. I looked like I was moving house. My chiropractor sent me Christmas cards. One groom actually asked if I was the DJ because of all the cases. Type, been there, if your gear list has ever made you sweat before the first look. That dull ache in your lower back before the ceremony even starts. The quiet terror every time you bend over because you know something is going to fall out of an overstuffed pocket. Keep watching. There's a way to walk into any job with one bag, one lens, one body, and still deliver Venice-grade footage without giving yourself a herniated disc. Meet the Sony FX3 Plus 24 to 70mm f2.8 GM2 bundle that ended my 3-body circus overnight. Full-frame 12.1 megapixel sensor with 15 plus stops and dual native ISO. 4K 120p 10-bit 4:2:2 internal with 0 overheating thanks to active cooling. S-Cinetone that grades itself straight out of camera. XLR handle with 4-channel 24-bit audio. 16-bit raw out over HDMI. The lightest and sharpest 24 to 70 ever made with 4 XD linear motors and basically zero breathing. CFexpress Type A plus SD dual slots. 160 gigabytes card included, 2 extra batteries plus dual smart charger, magnetic filter kit, and a backpack that actually fits under the seat. One documentary DP named Alex was filming in Antarctica when his FX6 overheated at -42 degrees Celsius. Grabbed the FX3 bundle, kept shooting for 6 more hours, and delivered the entire sequence in perfect log. That's when you realize you're not carrying gear anymore. You're carrying freedom. Now I land, sling one bag, and walk straight to set like I own the place. Netflix DP with 42 countries on his FX3 says it's the ultimate one-bag cinema solution. Wedding filmmaker with 180 events calls it the rig that finally let me have a life. Another creator sold his $15,000 FX6 rig after the first month because the FX3 plus GM2 bundle matched 99% of the image and weighed half. Thousands of us made the switch and never looked back. Yes, it's a big investment. But when you realize you're saving $8,000 in extra bodies, lenses, cages, and chiropractic bills while delivering the exact same grade, that too expensive voice gets real quiet. See why every serious shooter who tries this bundle quietly sells everything else. One influencer said the 24 to 70 GM2 on the FX3 is so balanced I can handhold 20-minute takes without my arms falling off. Which would feel better? Another year of back pain and gear stress, or knowing you own the last cinema rig you'll ever need? Join the DPs, wedding filmmakers, and solo creators who sold their big rigs the week they got the Sony FX3 Plus 24 to 70mm f2.8 GM2 bundle and never missed them. One camera, one lens, one bag, zero compromises. If you're ready to travel light and shoot heavy, I dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned. Click it, check it out, no pressure. If it feels like your dream setup, awesome. If not, keep carrying 3 bags. Either way, your next shot is waiting.